Hello, welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. Yes, I am your host. I am. Can you dig it? Anyway, so here we have this drive mechanism that does seem to have some weird things going on with the read-write sensor. That's why I have bypassed it. And I think it's all good. Well, it's run, when I have it bypassed, I have run it through the, things are slipping. The torture test 65 times, and I could have done more if I'd come up here and remember to start it again, but I didn't. Alright, so, there we go. We have, all wrapped up inside of everything. Dear God. Oh yeah, we're okay. I have a meter. Behold the magic. And then we take the meter and I believe I now have it set on. Oh, no, I don't. Is that continuity? Yes, it is. So right now, if I take this meter, its handy dandy little wires, and I touch it, it says it has continuity. And that seems to make a big difference. So I'm thinking that maybe the sensor on this thing is screwed. If I touch this now, I have no continuity. Now it should be that if this is working, oh, and the drive is on, yes. If I pull this out, well, something is not right, because you see, all that's supposed to happen in here, quite simply, is there's an LED that sends a beam through, and it says, oh look, something's happening there. It's either protected or it's not. And when, obviously, it needs to be saying that it can be connected. Oh, what's happening there? I had something happen there. But no. Oh. Well, hang on a second here. Let's see here. If I can lie this down at the end of its cables and touch on here. Oh, interesting. Okay. So if I pull this disc out, I should definitely not have continuity here. Well, that's strange. Oh, yeah, so the sensor seems to be not good. Not good. Not good. And as I look at it, I say, well, you know, it really isn't a great job here of soldering. It's really quite a mess. Quite a mess indeed it is. Anyway, this is what I inherited, but I could have done better. I could have. So I'm going to turn this all off And I think I'm going to unplug all of this. Ooh. And get this drive unit completely separate. I am. Anyway, these discs, which are helpful, can go up there. And maybe I need this the other way around. Maybe I do. Alright, so I'm going to, because I can, although I don't like doing it, I'm going to set the disk drive up here, on top of here. I am. And I'm going into the bag, because I will need stuff. So there is a soldering iron, but I will not need that at this juncture. Oh dear. There should be. Oh, right here. Da-da-da. The De-Soldering iron. Alright. Let's get this settled and set aside. Alright. Now, we will need the meter again. So, you must be careful. You never want something like this to have its cords wrapped around anything else in case something else might fall. So we turn this on, and now it is indeed heating up. How? Oh, no, you don't. How do I know that? Well, because it is lit up on the handle. It is. And I suppose I should put on my glasses. And I am going to look for something that I can strip these wires better. I am. Oh, now this says that it is up to temperature. This is a De-Soldering iron. So I'm going to land it down here on the solder. And indeed, it is done. And then I'm going to land it down on here on the solder. Oh, that didn't quite get as much as I would have liked. But I will do some more. You can sometimes just tell from the sound. Okay, now I can turn this off. It is off. Now I'll give it a chance to cool. I shall. So these things here, there's really nothing, there's no holes here. They're just little pads. Interesting. Very interesting. But there's definitely parts of the wires that are bare here. There are. So I should be able to connect these and see what's what. I should be able to. This, I'm sure, is still hot. You know what, maybe I will do, because I have to wait for this to cool. Plug in the other iron, etc., etc. Maybe that's enough for now. I've de-soldered using the de-soldering iron, and what I'm working on is the read-write sensor, the thing that tells the disk drive is if the disk is protected from writing. That's what I've done. That's all I've done. Maybe we'll do a close-up.